Guys, so today I tried to connect with Sushant again, which I do like before making any video for my daily routine. So I was making the video, I wanted to make the video on feminine and masculine energy. So I asked Sushant if he wants to connect, and definitely he wanted to connect, and that's how the cards came out. And when you see the way the card came out, the Eight of Wands card came first, and if you see, the Queen of Wands was hidden behind. So the last card was Queen of Wands, and this is how, if you remember, the last time also the cards came out and Queen of Wands was hiding. She was hiding behind, because this basically says that he definitely want to connect, he definitely want to say something, but at the same time probably the informations that are coming out, the things that are happening, the actions that are happening, Queen of Wands somewhere knows that it is time for her to be revealed, and that is why she's hiding herself from the world at this point in time. She wants to kind of be hidden, be quiet, be into her zone, so that she doesn't kind of come out into the limelight and gets caught. But she knows that she is going to get caught now. Definitely that the Queen of Wands is going to come out. Definitely the truth is going to come out. Let's see what Sushant wants to say today. So Sushant, what is the message that you have? Sushant, what do you want to say? What is the message that you have? Wow, okay. So I have quite a few cards there, and today you'll see cards coming like that. There'll be bunch of cards that will come together. So the cards, that the way they are, they came out, the cards basically, at times there are cards. Oh, so I want to say this, at times there are cards which kind of fall off the table, the cards that are there but I don't notice them. Don't worry about those cards, guys. They are coming out because at times the energy is such that some cards kind of pop out that are not needed to be looked at that point in time, and that's why I'm not guided to kind of look at them. Intuition is guiding me always, and I always know what to put, and kind of a voice kind of says in my head that something has happened. So if it is important, I will know. So there is 10 of Cups card. So 10 card again has come. 10 card is about completion of something, and 10 card is about the family also. The cards are saying that there is a lot of standstill or struggle that is happening right now. There is a lot of work that is being done on things, but there are a lot of things that are still hidden, that are still not coming to light. There is a lot of information that still needs to come to light, but ultimately the Tower card is there, which means that whatever is hidden, whatever is they are trying to hide, their tower is going to be now broken down. The information will happen, the lightning will strike, and some kind of information is coming very, very fast to us. It looks like there is a message that is coming very fast to us, and ultimately the 10 number is going to be completed. Now let's see which 10 it is, because at times we see combinations of 10, the combinations that create 10, at times number 10. But if you see in the past, whatever has happened, important things, arrests, or important information coming out, somewhere 10 has been a relevant date. Either that date was 10, or either the combination was 10, or the day before that was 10. So there is something that has been relevant with number 10. And guys, the Sushant wants to tell you that don't think that work is not happening, don't think that things are not happening. A lot of people are getting that those into that thought that just NCB charge sheet has come but nothing is happening. There's a lot of information, there is a lot of things that are being hidden. There is a lot of things which are behind the scene that have happened. If you see, there is this crab who's coming out of water here. So there is a lot of information that CBI and every team has to dig into, and that is why that illusion has to be cleared, and there is work that is being done. Very soon we'll see the result, very soon we'll see the communication coming for sure. So don't worry and don't get disheartened with that. Sushant, what do you want to say about NCB? So I will ask many questions about NCB, but I want to ask one broader question. What do you want to say about NCB right now? The charge sheet that has been filed, the arrests that are happening. What do you want to say about NCB action? A lot of people are confused that nothing is happening. We should not be celebrating. It's going to take years for truth to come out. And see, the one card kind of came first. I will check which card was that. I have my eye on it, but the cards kind of fell all around all sides. So there are a lot of cards that kind of came around, and the Page of Wand card was the first card that kind of came out, which means that things are being observed, there are things that are happening, we are moving forward. And Page of Wands probably is somebody who will come out with this whole thing. I was thinking not to pick up these cards because there are too many, but when I saw Queen of Wands, it kind of confirmed to me that I should read these cards. And there are too many, so let me just kind of place it, and then we'll read how they are, what they are referring to. So the cards are saying that definitely there was a lot of information, lot of things, there were a lot of things that were closed, that were not available, that were not there. And these things that are happening right now, the NCB charge sheet that is filed right now, it is going to lead us to the King of Swords. If you remember in the video in the beginning, when I spoke about who are the people that are involved in this, I said that there are three parties that are involved in this murder, different three parties, and one of them was King of Swords. And King of Swords was a party who was involved in from one angle. So probably NCB, the drug angle, is ultimately going to lead us to King of Swords. It is ultimately going to lead us to the truth related to King of Swords, which he was hiding. He was trying to put money and everything, so this is hidden and this does not come out. But with this coming out, there is a page, there is Ace of Wands, and then there is Judgment card. So basically with this coming out, with King of Swords coming out, this NCB judgment or decision or whatever, the announcement coming out, the Queen of Wands is also going to come out. Queen of Wands will also come into light, because somewhere in that video I remember Sushant communicating that the King of Wands is going to be coming into light first. He's going to be crushed first, and when he's crushed, he has contacted Queen of Wands, and they are working together into it. She will also come down, she will also fall down, and they are definitely together into that. So one is going to lead to the disaster of others, and no matter how much money, how many things that he's flown into it, but he is definitely going to come out. And when he comes out, Queen of Wands will not be able to hide herself. She will automatically come out. She'll have to come out, because the information will flow out. Now another thing that this is saying is that somewhere the Page of Wands is the person who has the information. She or he knows everything about what happened, how was the murder done, how was the things, and probably some proofs like videos. So now Page of Wands, the Queen of Wands doesn't want Page of Wands to come out, but Page of Wands is somewhere thinking, because it feels like Page of Wands somewhere is thinking to deceive Queen of Wands. He's or she, I don't know who he or she is, but he or she is thinking to deceive Queen of Wands and kind of stand the ground, because somewhere those emotions are weighing heavy on Page of Wands. Page of Wands is also somewhere related to Sushant, and somewhere in his or her dreams or the sleep that's getting disturbed, because he or she is not able to somewhere the conscious is waking up basically, and is feeling the hurt, and want to kind of bring everything out to the world, kind of tell everything to the world, bring out the whole truth. And whatever money was flowing, that will not stop justice from happening, and the money was flown to kind of stop the truth to come out, from the truth to come out. But the truth definitely came out. It got communicated, and it is going to get communicated. And another thing, now with this card I cannot refrain myself from talking about his body, and I think that that's another thing that is going to come out. Somewhere 10 is relevant there, and there is a person who knows the truth of his body, the person who knows everything about it, and will have to have patience. Number 10, definitely we're getting close to it, but we'll still have to have patience. And definitely that truth about his body, that truth about where his body is, what happened and everything is going to come out. But from this whole thing, it feels like Page of Wands is going to come out soon to kind of blow the bell and say the truth, and NCB action is going to lead to all of this. So don't think, guys, that this is useless and nothing has happened. Don't get into that zone. It is definitely not useless. Something has happened. So I wanted to ask him that the NCB charge sheet that is filed, and there are a lot of people who are named in that charge sheet, and in that charge sheet, the person who's been very close to him, his relationship, he's been in relationship with, that person's name is also involved in that. And a lot of people are kind of getting into that zone that she is the one who's murdered him, she's the one who's planned everything. So let's just get some clarity. He's given that clarity earlier also, but Sushant, is she the person who's murdered you? Is she the main person who killed you, or who kind of planned your actually who executed, I would say, not planned, who executed your murder, who executed this whole plan, who executed these whole things, is she the person who did it? Okay, so the cards that I have is Moon card, and it's Six of Pentacle. I will take out further more cards, but see, Moon card is about unclarity. It's about the card, and the Six of Pentacle is about money. So Moon card is about kind of putting somebody into illusions, putting somebody into emotions, putting somebody into depression, and that is for money. That is definitely for money. That is not really with any other intention, but with the intention of getting the money. So from this, I can say that murder was not something that it was done by her, or for her, or through her, because the plan was definitely to extract money. And if you remember in one of the last videos, when he was talking about her, he did mention that he wanted to marry her, and he did mention that she was behind money, and whatever she did was to just to disable him, so that she can put him through depression and everything and take the money maybe. And that's what he's indicating again, that will still ask again that Sushant. Okay, so there is the card of relationship that kind of came out, and Sushant, can you clarify whether she murdered you? See, so basically the way the card has also gone, it is basically the plan which did not get executed. So it is money. It is definitely money. So the person who was into relationship with him was into relationship with him only because of money. It was the whole relationship that was dependent solely upon money, and not really the murder flow from it. So I was about to ask him about NCB charge sheet that has come out, and then I thought that I should ask him about drugs first. So people are getting into that zone where they're thinking that he used to take drugs or he was not used to take drugs. There is a fight that is happening between people, between groups, and I remember that I did an early video with him where he spoke about it, and he said that it was without his knowledge how it's all started. But we still want to kind of figure that out. So Sushant, were you into drugs? Were you into drugs? Were you taking drugs? And guys, don't get upset that I'm asking this question. Clarity is important for all of us, right? Clarity is very, very important for us. So Sushant, can you clarify? Okay, so I want to take out further cards, but I will share what came for you guys. So this is a card where the person is blindfolded. This is the card where there are two of swords. There's a blindfold on this person's eye, which means that all of this started with him not knowing what is happening. He didn't know. He was definitely confused between two things, pulled between two things, or two situations in his life, emotionally blindfolded, and somebody behind his back. This is a thief card. Somebody behind his back started doing all of those things about drugs and everything. Though with Seven of Swords, at times it's not that we don't have any knowledge about it. Yes, slowly and gradually we get to know about it. Slowly and gradually we know what is happening. But at the same time, because we are so much into it, we are so blindfolded, we are so stuck into it, and we are not clear about what is happening, we cannot take action. Now, when he got to know about it, when that clarity came to his mind, he wanted to come out of it. He did come out of it. He was not into it, guys. Not intentionally, not doing it, not doing drugs by his own will. He was not doing it at his will. And the moment he realized, he definitely wanted to come out of it, and he did. And that is why he chose such a sudden death. And okay, that's altogether a different matter. I'm not saying that he committed suicide. A lot of people interpreted it like that. A soul chooses that. That's a different matter. It was a murder, but definitely he was not taking drugs, consciously was not taking drugs. Sushant, why you got into it, or what was happening? Can you just further clarify? Were you intentionally doing it? Was it happening? How did you get into it, Sushant? Okay, so the cards that we have, somewhere they clarify what happened. So there is Eight of Swords, there is Queen of Cups, and there is Queen of Swords. Now Eight of Swords is a card again who's blindfolded, somebody who's stuck, who's feeling stuck emotionally, and there are two females that are involved in it. And if you remember the last videos, you'll know who Queen of Sword he gave for. And definitely emotionally he was drowned, emotionally he was stuck. But at the same time, this whole situation happened between when his life got stuck in between these two females, and he was still blindfolded. If we take this as emotionally stuck, still we cannot ignore that there is a blindfold on this person's eye as well. So these two females definitely are somewhere involved, and the reason for this happening, for him getting into all of this. But this was not intentional. Again, I'm telling you, this is not that he was into it because he was enjoying it, he wanted to enjoy it. Absolutely no, he was not a drug addict at all. He was not a drug addict at all. And he's definitely cleared that earlier also, but I wanted to clear that again. So the people who are involved in all of this, there could be two, or again there is Queen of Pentacles, so three females or two females that were involved in it. But Queen of Pentacles is also about money, so probably it was about money. It was, none of them were emotionally involved with him, it was only about money. Sushant, do you want to say anything about the arrest that NCB has done? The arrest that NCB... See guys, 3 arrests. So number 3, 3 of Sword card came out. Number 3. So we know that 3 arrests has happened. And what about these arrests? Will they help anyway? Will they help bring out any information? Will they help bring out any person in front? Okay, so the cards that we have, there is definitely something that is going to come to light. There is 10 of Pentacle, again number 10. There is a Star card. There is a card of something coming to light. There is a Victory card, definitely, and somebody being recognized or somebody being kind of called out. And there is 4 of Wand card. Now these two cards, 4 of Wand and the Pentacle, is also about family or close ones. And when I talk about family, I don't talk about that. I'm not saying that somebody in his core family is involved in it. No, it's basically could be anybody. We need to be open. It could be family, it could be close people. So family or like family, basically, if I always use that word. And this basically says that there is dog, and my dog is barking outside. You will not listen to it in this video, you will not be able to listen to that, but my dog is barking outside and there is dog here. So Fudge is definitely involved somehow, and definitely the truth is going to come out. And out of 3 parties, there's been 3 parties, ED, NCB and CBI, who are doing this things, and NCB has already given something. Other 2 are also going to come out with something very, very soon. We are going to hear from them very soon. Sushant, can we expect anything from the CBI soon? Sushant, how soon? Like, can we expect something from the CBI soon? There is a card of Temperance. Temperance is a card which came for the CBI last time as well when I took out cards for CBI, and the card says a baby step. Yes, we can expect something from them. They have been doing a lot of things. There is a lot of things that they are searching upon, they are working upon, but they need to kind of do their work really well, because it's very difficult to take steps towards what they are going to take steps towards, and there is a lot of wastage of time also that has happened because of different circumstances. But definitely there is something that is coming out. There is some news that is coming out from them. It is number 14, 4 plus 1 is 5. I'll ask about timeline again, but there's definitely something that is coming out from the CBI. So let's just ask about the timeline. So Shant, can you give any timeline about this information or some message that is going to come from CBI? Sushant, can you give any timeline about this information that is going to come out of CBI? Okay, so we have 2 cards and both are pages. Page of Wands and Page of Pentacle. Pages are number 11. So basically this is 11. If I take it together, I would say that he's repeating number 11. So probably on 11th, some information should come out. Or if I kind of put that together, 1111, it is number 4. So it could be either in the month of April, or on 11th something should come out from CBI. And it feels like Page of Wands will have something to do with it. Maybe Page of Wands kind of comes out with some information, gives them some information, they get to know something, and that is what we get to know, or that is what is told to us. So that little bit of information, or a small like baby step from CBI is also going to happen by some time, like really soon. Sushant, the people who I asked Sushant, the people who talk to me, they send me messages about their dreams that they see. They send me messages about questions they have in their mind that they want me to ask you, and I want you to give one answer that kind of gives all of them their answer, like a set of cards that give them all of their answers, because at times I'm in a places where I cannot kind of note down your questions. So just just some cards that give them the answer that they need to have. So guys, the cards that I have is Five of Swords, there is Seven of Wands, and there is a card of Hanged Man. And these cards basically are saying that, one, you don't have to fight with each others, don't get into grouping, don't get into proving that you are right and other person is wrong, don't try to judge others, don't try to emotionally hurt yourself or emotionally hurt others, don't get indulged into any fights at all. Whatever you are asking, whatever questions you are asking, whether who's true, who's not, I'm going to ask those questions just in some time. But at the same time, you have to know that you have to believe in yourself, you have to believe in your dreams, you have to believe in your, and suspend your energies when it comes to kind of fighting. Don't fight. And another thing is, if he's coming into your dreams, he's actually giving you some information about what happened with him. At times it is also about he wants you to stand your ground, at times he wants you to kind of look forward, at times he wants you to kind of meditate and be with yourself or understand the truth. And that is why he comes into your dreams. And definitely when he comes into your dreams, it is about a message. That is definitely a message that you guys have. A lot of people ask this question, that the person he was involved with before this present relationship of his, what about this person? Would he want to say anything about this person? Honest, dishonest, whatever it is, does he want to say anything about this person at all? Sushant, do you want to say anything about this person? So the card is King of Wands. And why King of Wands? Because I think he doesn't want to talk about that person. I've already asked that question earlier also to him, and he responded with a no. He didn't want to speak anything about her. And about King of Wands, I'm not sure. From last two videos, last video and this video, I kind of feel him saying things about King of Wands, because there probably something that he thinks this is truthful or he's fighting for. And if you remember one of the last video, let me ask the question, and then I will kind of tell you what about the King of Wands. So the cards we have is there is Two of Cups and there is Seven of Cups. Now this card, if I interpret literally, it basically means that there is some kind of partnership, some kind of relationship, some kind of coming together that is happening. And it feels like there is a fake message or fake information that is coming in front of you guys, because somebody is trying to kind of show that he's involved with somebody else, he's involved to work for somebody else. And that is basically a thing that is being portrayed here. Now another message this could also be is where he's kind of trying to connect with people and figure out what happened really. So he's trying to get to the root cause of the truth. Now we don't know if this is which way he wants us to interpret it. So I will ask Sushant again for the further clarity of what he wants to say, whether it is he's working for him, and whether he's trying to kind of bring things to light or truth, or whether it is involved with somebody else. Okay, so the cards that I have is Three of Swords. Three of Swords kind of came others upside down. There was Nine of Swords, there is Hermit, and there is Ace of Cups. So Three of Swords is a card of kind of some kind of burden, some kind of stress, some kind of sleeplessness that is happening. And Hermit is a card of bringing something to light. Hermit is the card which says that you are kind of bringing something to bright light. And Ace of Cups is a card of divine hand, where some information, something is flowing, something is coming out. But because again there is a dove in it which is putting a coin in that cup, I still would want to further clarify whether he's saying that we should believe the King of Wands, and we should kind of he is taking a lot of stress. Undoubtedly there is a lot of burden on his heart, there is a lot of burden on his mind, he's not sleeping, he's kind of continuously working on bringing something to light, and that is what he's indicating. But at the same time, yes, it is important to figure out whether we need to believe the King of Wands, or we need to kind of follow the King of Wands, or what is his message exactly. So let's just ask what is the message about King of Wands. So if you watch the previous videos, you will know who King of Wands is. And earlier I was also confused, and I kind of felt confused whether it is who the person I'm thinking about or not. But if you remember, when something was talked about his death, that time also he didn't give clarity. So I'm going to talk about that later. Okay, so there is one card that turned upside down, and I was asking whether King of Wands we can trust him or not, and the card kind of came out. And the card is Temperance. It's a card of an angel. It's a card of taking baby steps. It's the card of somebody who's kind of trying to bring things to light. There is a sun rising there, though that person is also wasting quite a lot of time in doing that. But at the same time, this is the card that came for CBI as well, that baby steps. And the King of Wands also have to understand that he'll have to take baby steps to move forward, not go too fast. But definitely he's helping to bring things to light. So the way the cards are, I wouldn't say that King of Wands is not truthful to Sushant. It feels like Sushant is and has been inclined to, from last two videos, he's seeing something which is making him talk about King of Wands. And if you remember earlier also, he used to talk about King of Wands and give messages about him, and then suddenly all of that stopped because King of Wands stopped or was stopped. And if you remember, when I was doing the videos on asking him whether he's when he was when it was said that he's alive and is still alive, I was asking questions to him that whether he's dead or alive and whether this is truth or not. He said he wouldn't answer because somehow whatever he's doing is helping the case and he doesn't want to clarify. So understand, guys. And there is this card that is still upside down, and that card is Hierophant. That card is Hierophant, and basically, and this card was upside down there also. I'm going to talk about that card, but this card is 10 of cups. I was asking what is the message for King of Wands. The message is, one, there is this family card, definitely 10 of Wands, 10 of cups, and this is the card of being together. And the card that is upside down, I didn't notice all this while, is the card of Hierophant, which says listen to the person. When I was asking this question, the first card that turned around, that listen to this person, he's trying to tell you certain things. Asking here if he has any message for the frontliners. Is there any message that he has for the frontliners? And when I said frontliners, King of Wands again kind of came out, and then came out the card of Knight of Pentacles. And Knight of Pentacles is a card which talks about either it is about money or it is about bringing things to light, so bringing things to truth or leading, basically, because this Knight of Wands is basically leading a troop towards somewhere, so basically leading. And when I spoke about frontliners, or when I spoke about asking a question about him, the card that came out is King of Wands. Now I don't know, I don't take names and I don't support anybody, but there is the card, the way the cards are saying, they are saying that stand your ground, don't try to defame others, don't try to do things that are wrong, that is not incorrect, that are not ethical. And at the same time, you need to know that you don't have to see where the other person is standing, you don't have to put anybody down. And a lot of people who are doing it right now are into that zone. They are trying to pull somebody down, and the way the cards are, it feels like they're trying to pull King of Wands down. They're trying to kind of prove somebody wrong, but which is not the right thing to do. That is not what he would want. Sushant would never want this to happen, and he wants us to be understand. We don't have to kind of follow somebody blindly. We don't have to listen to everybody. It's all right, listen to everybody, but follow your own mind, follow your own heart, follow your own thoughts. You don't have to follow anybody blindly and start blaming the other people, start blaming or fighting with other people. And again, the same message came out. Be balanced, move ahead step by step, take small steps, let things come to truth. The things will come out to truth. Don't fight with each other, support each other. That's the message that he has. I usually go blank when Sushant kind of comes. So let us ask if Sushant wants to say anything else, and then I will ask for the questions. So Sushant, do you want to say anything? Okay, the card that we have is Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords is a card which talks about, one, somebody is being a thief, somebody is trying to kind of hide things, somebody is trying to steal things from other people, or gossiping about other people. But if you see in this card, there are two swords here, and this is the card that whatever you want to kind of finish off, whatever you want to take away, you will still leave evidences, you will still leave things that will still be there. And if you see this card, there are military tents here, and this person is trying trying to kind of take away 5 swords, but 2 swords are still left there, and there are military people who are sitting behind. They are looking at this person, they know what is happening. So no matter how sharp the thief thinks he is, there are still things that will be left way behind. There are still things that will be proofs, that will be evidences, that will be used, and that is why the whole truth cannot be hidden, and the justice definitely will happen, because we still have evidences. There are still things that are there. Thing that will come out very prominently, that can give us a support that we are moving ahead in this fight and something is going to happen. Anything that you want to tell us that will come out prominently. See, this is what I was telling you guys. This is how things happen. This card has been turned around from a long time, but that this is the answer where this card had to come out. So some message from the authorities is also going to come. Now if you see, NCB is already done. There are two parties that are still there, ED and CBI, and feels like somebody is kind of going to come out and talk about it, or kind of give some information, something, some truth, something with regards to their actions is going to come out, and it is going to be in light soon, and it is going to come out from certain kind of authorities. It is not going to come out like videos. So I was about to ask him the question that in your case, will there be 302? So there are going to be some arrest, because there is a card of devil, but at the same time this is the card of hostages. This is the card of somebody being kept somewhere. Arrest has already started, so arrest will definitely happen. And for 302, I am 302 basically is the murder charge. It's a IPC section for murder. I'm not sure why, like how do I interpret devil in this, because this talks about arrest, this talks about people coming out to light, but at the same time this is the card of hostages. This is the card of somebody who's kept somewhere, somebody who's a hostage, somebody who's stuck somewhere. So some truth, some things are hidden that are still stuck. Maybe it is about his body, maybe it is about we'll get the clarity. Wait. So when I asked for clarity, the card that came out, it is some information that is going to come out, some information that is hidden from us. There is an illusion, there is something that is not in front of us is going to come out. Another thing, I always talk about your body, and I want to kind of find out, when will we know about your body? How will the truth of your body come out? And not like from the videos or anything. How will the truth of your body come out? How will we know that, you know, where your body was hidden and the funeral was not yours? Okay, so the way the cards are, again, King of Wands has again come out. So the cards are saying that there is some baby steps or some information that will come out undoubtedly. It might come out through King of Wands, or through somebody, through some authority, or maybe through CBI. When the CBI take that baby step, definitely somebody very close is involved, and the truth definitely will come out. Definitely whatever is hidden about his body, whatever is hidden anywhere behind this door or behind this farmhouse or whatever it is, the truth will definitely come out. And probably it feels like, the way the cards are, that the King of Wands is working towards on those lines, definitely. So that will kind of lead to some reveal. Let's take the message from some other cards. And I won't believe, guys, like last 2 times there is so strange fragrance that I feel when I talk about him. Like it feels like he's around with that fragrance. I'm not sure what it is, and I'm not sure which fragrance he used to use, but there is something very strong. The card that we have is clean it up. It says clean it up means that this is the time where system is getting cleansed. This is the time where actually the whole things are getting cleansed, and until all the cleaning is done, we are not going to reach the final like the final destination. Final destination will be reached when this whole cleaning is done, and there is a lot of cleaning is to be done, because there are people who are involved in drugs, there are people who is involved in human trafficking, child trafficking, and God knows what all is going to come out of this. But there is a cleanup that is happening, and Sushant has been as a sole responsible for this cleanup, and until that cleanup is completely done, we're not going to get done with this case. So definitely that's there. Let's ask a few more questions. Sushant, anything else that you want to say? Any other message to us? Anything else that you want to say? Sushant, anything else? Any other message that you want to give? Wow. Okay. So the cards that I have, it says unfinished symphony. And unfinished symphony, it is basically something that is not complete, the music that is not complete. And I also asked about the date and the month, to give a date and a month when something strong is going to come out. So this is unfinished symphony. Definitely it is unfinished symphony. There is a lot of things that have not come to light. There are a lot of things which are unfinished right now, and this is number 10. So number 10, definitely something is going to come out with 10. That is there prominently, that is there. And if you see in this card, there is an egg in this card under this female who's sitting on it, and she's into disguise, so it is difficult to kind of identify her, but she's sitting on this face. In the egg there is a face, and she's sitting on this face, hiding this face. So something definitely is hidden, something somebody is trying to hide something big time. And definitely there's a female, that is strong female, that is involved in it, who's disguised right now. We cannot identify her, but there is a face that is there, that is going to come out no matter how much she tries to hide it. That is going to come out, and that face is there. And the second card is the higher power. It is the card which talks about when divine intervenes, nothing can be stopped. It's number 4 card. And if we read it like this, it could be 10th of April, or if we read it like otherwise, it could be 4th of October, but it feels like it is 10th of April. I feel, I have that sense that it is 10th of April. My mind tells me it is 10th of April, or my intuition. And if you see, there is this face in the egg, and if you see the higher power card, there is a face that is coming out on this from the stomach of this higher power. So whatever is being hidden, that is going to come out, definitely, most definitely. So definitely the truth will come out. So I want to ask him a question, and I didn't use these cards this time, so let me use this one. So I want to ask him one question about his justice, as to when the whole thing is going to happen, and what is the justice for him. And also I want to ask question about Queen of Wands. So who's Queen of Wands, and what we should know about Queen of Wands. But he didn't allow me to use these cards this time, so he said these ones only. So what he wants to say about his justice. And now, this time a lot of cards are coming every time. So the cards are saying that there is Chariot, there is 9 of Wands, there is 4 of Wands, there is 6 of Wands, and then there is 8 of Pentacle. So the cards are saying keep the lead. There is a lot of balance that is needed. There are still things that need to happen, but ultimately those things will keep happening. And I was guided to kind of put this behind, so I did. And there is work that is happening undoubtedly, and there is a lot of work that is happening. Ultimately with that work, a lot of it is already done. If you remember, this is saying that last 2 months probably, and the whole thing might be out, because there are 2 pentacles. One he's working upon, one it is still like there, which he needs to further work upon. But then the truth will come out. Definitely there is that celebration that is going to happen. There is a victory card, so definitely there is that victory that is going to happen. Let's ask about Queen of Wands. There are a lot of people who are kind of making videos talking about her. So is there anything that you want to give us clarity upon about Queen of Wands? It's saying that whatever is happening, it is just to make things unclear, not clear. It is basically to bring on the juggling more, make you more confused. And the ships has not come in, so it is definitely nobody knows who Queen of Wands is until now. And anything that you want to tell us about Queen of Wands? So the world will know. She will come out in front of whole world, and she will be kind of caught. That cycle that she's into will be complete, and the world will know at the same time. It feels like she'll come out and the world will know at the same time. Can you give us a little hint about who she is? Okay, so cards that I have, one, he definitely doesn't want to talk much about her or reveal much about her, closed energy. But it also could feel somebody very close to him, and she will come out. Somebody who's very arrogant, somebody who's very stubborn, somebody who's into her own self, into her own zone, and somebody who's protected by somebody else. So there is somebody who's in authority, who's related to her. She's being protected by him. But yes, somebody who will come out in front of her whole world. He doesn't want to say, he doesn't want to kind of talk about it. And probably that also has to do with people blaming people blaming family and everybody. He doesn't want to say things. Any message, Sushant, for your fans? Any message for the people who are actually fighting for you on the ground level, who are actually fighting for you every day? Any message for them? So the cards that came is victory, and there is four of wands. So guys, know that when we continue keep doing it, when we continue fighting for it, there is a victory that we'll have. And there was this one card that kind of shifted on the other side, so I took out that card also. There is six of swords. This is saying that we are reaching towards the shore finally, and the things will happen. So definitely victory is there for us, and it will come out, in the end. One question that I want to take is, a lot of people are fighting with each other because some people are blaming the family, some people are blaming the friends, some people are blaming politics, some people are blaming Bollywood. Everybody is blaming everybody, and there's a lot of fight and groupism that is happening because of that as well. So who's involved? What you want to say? What you want to say about that whole thing that is happening, the whole blame thing that is happening right now? So guys, I don't, I didn't want to say anything about this card because this is 10 of Cups card. We clearly see this is the card of close people. This is the card of family, like family. This is the card of somebody close being involved. And I thought that I wouldn't say much about this card because the card speaks volumes about what you're fighting about, and you should not be fighting with each other. Be open to whoever it is should be punished, whoever it is at all, but be open to it. Don't fight with each other, don't take names, but at the same time accept that it can be anybody close to him. Don't let your energies be disturbed. And King of Wands, again, it fell in my lap. So Sushant, again, I don't know what he wants to say about, but we'll ask again, what is the message that he has? Sushant, what is the message that you have? What is it that you want to say? The card is again King of Wands. Okay, what is it that you want to tell us, or him, or people? So the cards, the way the cards are, they're saying that you need to be strong, you need to be moving forward, you need to not be stubborn. Somebody who's very stubborn, he's talking about King of Wands, somebody who's very arrogant and very stubborn, and at the same time very focused, because if you see this card, she's completely focused on her pentacle, and also probably there could be some money energy revolving around it, but this is basically, it feels like this is more about focus. This is more about completely focused on what he wants to do and completely focused upon how he wants to bring things forward. So arrogant, but adamant, but at the same time very focused. Sushant, any other message that you have? And he didn't want to kind of give any further message from these cards because probably he wanted to give us messages from other cards. So I definitely picked up another one. He wanted me to pick up the animal energy card, and that is after this one. So let's see what messages came across in this card. This is the unicorn card, and the first message, the first card that came across, it says feather. This calling card is from the unicorns to tell you that they are near you. So definitely whatever we are looking for, the truth, the results that are very, very close to us, unicorns are very near us. And then there's two cards that came out is honesty and perspective. This card says honesty will be ultimately rewarded, and it says examine your situation from the higher perspective. If you see two people are fighting with each other in the other card, and I've said this message came across to me before yesterday also, I tweeted it, that don't fight with each other, don't fight with each other. Ultimately, if we are working for the same aim, we have to see the things from a higher perspective. And he's very clearly saying that people who are honestly into it, who are actually fighting for him, will be rewarded in the end. They will see good things in the end. But people who are working for their selfish interests, they will actually face the repercussions of it. So whatever you earn out of it, like the people, the growth, whatever, it is all going to fall away. It's not going to stay with you at all. You're going to reap as you sow, so shall you reap. You're going to reap the results of it. The cards that I have, they say service with an open heart is the key to satisfaction. And then the other card says open the door to kingdom of heaven. So we need to serve people. We need to actually, the true satisfaction, the truth is when you serve people. If you are actually kind of trying to play with the soul, somebody who's gone, who's kind of working for awakening of the world, for justice, fighting for justice, and you're trying to make money out of it, or you're trying to kind of get fame out of it, you are doing the most dishonest thing that you can do, and you will face the repercussion of it. Definitely you will face the result of it. So guys, don't do it. If don't do it. Be honest with him, be together into it, fight for his justice, support him, serve, be of service to others, and then you will see satisfactions. And then the cards that I have, it says listen and the answer will be revealed, and you need to listen to very carefully about all the communications that are coming your way. Listen and you will have your answers. And the next card says that you are unlimited, so aim for the stars. Definitely we have the ability to reach anywhere and do anything, and if we want the justice to happen in this case, we have that ability. We can make it happen, but at the same time we have to know that we have to be together into it. He wanted to kind of take out animal energy cards, and I will take out the card, and he's saying that it is going to be just messages. It is not going to be hinting at the animal. And so the cards that I have, first is wolf. Wolf is the closest energy to dog, ideally. And I'm going to read the messages because he said these are messages. So it says, be independent but work together. So he wants us to be independent but working together, not fighting with each other. The second card is fish. It says kingfisher. It says, be patient but be focused. Be patient and focused. So it is very important when we work together with each other, we need to be very, very focused, and we need to have patience. Patience are the key to success. The third card that we have is live joyfully in the present. So we need to be happy in the present, in the sense that whatever is happening, whatever is coming out, don't get dissatisfied with that. Don't think that it is nothing is happening. And the last is spread heart healing with joy. And it's a card of honey bee, and honey is something which is sweet, which is nice. So it is very important for all of us to have patience, keep fighting together and independently as well, and spread love and joy if we can. It is very important to be together into it. And another card that turned around is a card of guinea pig, and it says, do your part in to illuminate the universe. And if you know, every guinea pigs are used for experiments, and they are very, very small. So how much little effort you are able to do. And there are a lot of people who are thinking we are not doing much, how are we helping? You are helping. Every little effort is being counted towards success. So absolutely you are helping, and whatever you can, please do it. Please keep doing it, because it is helping the fight of justice, and no matter how small that effort is, but we need to be together. The messages are very, very clear from him that we need to be together. I tried to ask him for another message from surrender cards, but he didn't want to say anything. So I shuffled the cards, and then ultimately nothing came out. But in the end, there is something about Queen of Wands. So just I'll probably just cut this part. So sorry, I didn't cut the guys, because he doesn't want me to cut any part of the video. He wants the whole video to kind of go as it is. So there were a lot of cards, all the cards kind of fell out, so I didn't take them. And that is why. And then he wanted to give one last message. So what is the one last message, Sushant? And then probably we're done with today's. And see how the Queen of Wands kind of, how the cards jumped out. There is a communication that is coming out from the Queen of Wands, guys. Have patience and listen very, very careful. Queen of Wands is hiding, but there is some communication that is going to come out from Queen of Wands. Be very careful, listen to everything clearly, see what are the things that are coming out around you. Have patience, look for the information. And this could also mean that Queen of Wands is going to come out very, very soon, but at the same time it feels like this is something that she's going to communicate with people. She's going to kind of, maybe it is a post, it is a tweet, I'm not sure what it is going to be, but there is some kind of communication that Queen of Wands is going to come out with. And guys, have patience. It is important for us to have patience. It is important for us to be together. It is important to not blame each other. I'm not with him, I'm not with anybody, I'm not with for anybody, I'm not against anybody, but I'm with him. So I'm with Sushant for sure, and however Sushant would guide me, I will always do things accordingly. Whatever he will tell me to tell you guys, I will always tell you that. And please stay focused, please stay united together, and victory will be ours. Thank you so much. Bye bye.